Hi! It's really challenging nowadays to find the best products. It would be awesome if you can find a reliable source to know which products are the best. That's why we came here to help you to choose the best product that can bring the best output that you're looking for. In this video, we have listed the top 5 best products. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge, however. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, we did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 10 for beach camping from reputable brands. So let's get started. Number 1. East Hills Outdoors Instant Shader. East Hills Outdoors is a fashionable brand that does not disappoint with this tent. The Instant Shader comes with a spacious interior that fits up to 4 adults and could squeeze in some kids as well. In addition, this makes it a great tent for camping with dogs. This instant tent can be set up in 4 easy steps. The instructions say it can be done in a minute or less. Simply spread the poles, lift the center of the tent and pull the drawstrings. Like magic, the tent is standing. On this particular sun shelter, you can zip the front of the tent up for added privacy. It's perfect for changing in and out of your swimwear, or simply keeping your things closed away while you're out of the tent. The zippers can be closed from the inside or outside. The tent is made of a lightweight and water-resistant coated polyester material. It gives UV protection of UPF 50+, and blocks up to 97.5% of harmful UV rays. Due to this being a larger tent, it weighs about 8 pounds. This is a little heavier than most other tents in this range. Positive side of this product, it comes with a zippable front for added privacy and security, which when not zipped can be used as extra floor space. An extremely sturdy frame that customers say work great on a windy or stormy day. It has 3 large windows that can be tied up or closed with ease. Comes with a large number of accessories to add stability. Quick and easy setup that can be done in under a minute. Negative side of this product, it can be challenging to stow away after a day of use. Heavier than most other tents at 8 pounds. Number 2. G4 Free Beach Tent. The G4 Free Beach Tent made this list thanks to its ultralight pop-up design that allows the beach shelter to be opened in just 1 second. Wow. The frame is built from steel wire, which allows for extreme flexibility. According to G4 Free, steel is safer than fiberglass as well. The weight of the tent sits at 2.4 pounds, making it one of the lightest large beach tents out there. This tent can fit 2 adults and 2 children in comfort. But the tent lacks headspace, making it suboptimal for taller folks. If you're into aesthetics, you'll love this tent's color options. You can get orange, yellow, blue, green, and white. The build also includes a ventilation system of 3 large windows on each side of the tent, allowing for a comfortable setting on a hot day. Although opening this tent is easy, sometimes packing it up can be annoying. This is to be expected with pop-up tents, which are made to stay in their popped shape. Positive side of this product, at 2.4 pounds, this tent is extremely light compared to others on the market. Great wind resistance for those on a windy beach, the steel wire frame holds up nicely. A range of colors to choose from for those who want their tent to match their swimsuit. Super easy setup, just toss into the air in an open space, and the tent is ready to go in seconds. 50+ UPF UV protection means you won't fry on the beach. Negative side of this product, the height of the tent can be restricting for taller people. While the tent may be easy to set up, it can be tough to fold up and put away due to the strong frame. Number 3. Sportrella Vented Canopy Umbrella for Beach. If all you care about is getting some shade from the sun, then this sunshade tent is going to be the best beach sun shelter. It is essentially a huge umbrella what is going to give you that protection from wind gusts and the hot sun. The best feature of this pop-up sun shelter is just how easy it is to use. You're going to be able to have it up in a matter of seconds, and as soon as you do, you'll have that instant shade. When it's time to go home, the umbrella also folds away exceptionally quickly. There are several great features here. One of the best is the wind gust tents that it has at the top. These will open to let any wind pass through and not blow your tent away. The mesh windows also help with the ventilation to give you an extremely comfortable space. Having a central pole in the middle of the canopy can be a little annoying as it can get in the way, and also it's not the best anchor that you can use. It means that it's not the best for full-sized chairs, but it still offers a good amount of shade. This tent is going to be ideal for anyone who wants to have shade with a minimal amount of fuss and effort. It doesn't cover the widest area, but still allows for anyone to have a break away from the grips of the hot sun. Positive side of this product. Wind gust vents. Telescoping pole. Durable materials. Water repellent. Simple to use. Easy to take down. Negative side of this product. Small inside pouches. Central pole isn't the best anchor. Number 4. Outdoor Master Pop-Up Beach Tent. This pop-up tent comes in a similar design to some beach tents we've already looked at. The tent uses an easy-to-operate pull cord setup. It's simple enough for most folks to set up, and strong enough to withstand strong winds. The tent comes with an oversized carry bag that can be slung over your shoulder in a hurry, allowing for easy transportation. The weight of the tent, however, comes in at around 8 pounds, which is on the higher end of the beach tent scale. The product prides itself on its flexibility of use. The company says it can be used on any surface, but I've only used it on sand or grass. Like most beach tents, the Outdoor Master provides UV SPF 50+ protection. It's got 3 roll-up windows and a full-coverage privacy door at the front. Positive side of this product. You can use this tent on the beach or anywhere else it's effective on sand dunes, as well as grass and dirt terrain. Full coverage and a seamless privacy door with a 2-way zipper give you added shade. The roll-up windows easily close on all 3 sides. The transport carry bag makes life easier. It's a joy to throw this over your shoulder and hit the beach. 53 center height means it provides lots of headroom for taller people. Pull cord design is so easy, a caveman could do it. Negative side of this product. The tent can get very hot, so make sure you open the windows to get some fresh air. Number 5. Amazon Basics Pop-Up Beach Camping Tent. This is another great product on our list of the best tents for beach camping. One major factor that will affect your choice of beach tent is the cost. If you don't have much money to spend on a tent, this Amazon Basics product is a good option for you. It's not expensive. Regardless of its small price, the tent is still very effective and reliable. Just as the pop-up in its name suggests, this tent can be quickly set up. As long as the elements are not extreme, this beach tent will hold up perfectly well. This tent is also a good choice for those who are solo camping. If you don't need a large tent space, or you don't want a bogus shelter, this tent 653x58.93x43.53 specification will serve you well. The tent also provides you with an additional floor extension, which can be utilized in a couple of ways. However, just as any product will have a downside, this tent also has its own downsides. One of these is its low roof. If you're considerably tall, you won't be able to stand upright beneath the tent. Positive side of this product, it's budget-friendly. It isn't heavy. Features a window for ventilation. Provides you with an additional floor extension. Best tent for beach camping. Negative side of this product, the tent might give a flimsy feeling. Doesn't have a large space. Not suitable for tall person. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.